Hey guys, I woke up at like 8 today, or 8:30, and then had some orange juice, and then I went over to uh, my mother's friend's house and helped her bake like mini apple tarts, and they were okay, they weren't the best. And then so we made some peanut butter bites or peanut butter ball things, which are pretty good and they're super easy to make. It literally took us, this is the first time I made it, it literally took me 5 minutes for to put all the ingredients in a bowl, mix it, portion it out, and ball it up. So, um, I might be showing you a tutorial on that sometime. I I have all the ingredients. It literally takes like 5 ingredients: oatmeal, dry milk, um, peanut butter, honey, and raisins if you like them. And then if you want, you can add something. If you want a little different taste to it, like cinnamon, if it's too sweet. But that's about it. So yeah. Um. Yeah. I will see you guys. No. Okay. And so it literally took us like 5 minutes to make it, and then we made another batch, and it took a little longer because we were trying to um, uh, add a little less honey because it was it was super sweet, and so uh, we uh, uh, and we put it in a different way to see if it would make it better or something. But it was too crumbly, so we added some more honey and some agave syrup or nectar or whatever, and it was actually pretty good after that because I think it just needed some more liquid to it. But I don't know. Uh, I'll when I make it, I'll put the recipe in the description, and so you can make it and then make a video response. Tomorrow I will be getting up early and going uh, to Papillion to go watch my brother's my nephew's soccer game. So, uh, yeah, I'll be getting up at like 6:30. I'm gonna die because that's super early and it's gonna be super cold and I'm not ready for this. So yeah. Um I think that's it for right now. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night, goodbye. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.